Hi guys, I'm Amanda. I started making earrings about 3 years ago, and we started wearing them just around, and people were like, where did you get those? And my two friends are like the marketing queens. They're my biggest advocates, and they were like, Amanda made them. My one friend, Morgan, had an idea. She was like, you should sell these. Like, you should actually put these online and sell them. I'm a graphic designer, which I absolutely love, but it's also really fun to be able to work with my hands. And that's where making earrings just really becomes a passion of mine, because I get to kind of shut off from the world. I get to just create stuff. I love being able to share them with people. I love seeing people wear them. And the more fun I have making them, those are my more successful collections. People usually really respond to those the best. That just goes to show that when you really put love and effort and time into things, you really can get good results. Thank you for all the love and support. It really means the world. Much love, friends.